Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Priscilla. I'm the owner of Life. So today I'll be unboxing the Hush Tarot by Jeremy Hush. This is a US Game Systems deck, I believe. Yes, US Game Systems. And I don't know how much this retails for. I bought it on Amazon Canada for $30. It was like 29 something. But I will leave some links in the description box below of everywhere I know where you can find it. None of them are affiliate, obviously. So you can just making things easier for everyone so they can just purchase if they like. So, let's see. So it's a small box. It's a two-piece box, obviously, because most US games are either two-piece or they are, you know, those weird boxes that open from the top. So, like those tuck boxes, that's what it's called. That's what I was looking for. Tuck box. So in the back, it says, Hush Tarot beckons readers to explore an alluring world where animal and human spirits are unified, and even the smallest creatures like ravens and hares have great significance. At times they appear lost in the weeds, but there is always a hidden clue guiding them to the way out. The fascinating characters and landscapes are illustrated with lush detail inspired by a 19th century aesthetic that explores natural forms of various states of life and decay. Hush Tarot offers a shift in perspective that reveals profound answers to life's mysteries. So it's a 78 card deck, obviously, because it's tarot, and a 68-page guidebook. Oh, mine did get damaged in transit from Amazon, so just a heads up. There's nothing inside, it's just a single color. I'll put that over here. Yeah, so it doesn't have the price. Yeah, US Game Systems don't usually have the prices on their decks. It's usually a Llewellyn thing, but... So, yes. Okay, so here's the book. Here is the cards. This is the back. It is a bit glossy. The backs. Cardstock is nice. I do have other decks from US games. This is like my Crow Tarot, for example. Cardstock feels similar to that, in my opinion. So this is the book. Thin. Nothing in the back. Okay, let's see here. Okay, we have an introduction. And then goes right into the major. Yeah, so this is like laid out exactly like my Crow Tarot. So we have the upright and reversed. Yep, just upright and reversed meanings. No pictures. No nothing. Is there any spreads or anything? Oh, yeah. Okay, reading with the Hush Tarot, rather. Self-binding influence. So there's one spread. So card 1 is the energy that wants to flow freely. Card 2 is a neutral position, so it's the energy that binds or restricts the flow of card 1. Then card 3 is internal influence, so from within on cards 1 and 2. And card 4 is external influence from others on cards 1 and 2. Okay, that's interesting. So like always, I will pick a card at the end, and we will read what it says in the guidebook. So this is the Fool. It's a ferret. Love it. So I got this deck originally because I fell in love with the artwork. Our work is very strange, so be warned. As you can see, this is the magician. And yes, that animal's head is severed from its body. And she's just like casually holding its body. There's like a weird like thing up here. Very weird. I love it. So this is the image that's on the box. She's holding a bird in her hand. The Empress. We have the Emperor. There's like some people here at the bottom. They have like masks on or animal heads. No, they're masks. They're masks because these two have masks. Very strange. And this is the Hierophant. Keys are very, very traditional of that. Then we have the Lovers. I don't know who these two are. They seem like maybe Hindu god and goddess. Let's see if it says in the book. Because I'm curious. I'm curious to know who these are. Yeah. Shiva and Parvati. Shiva and Parvati. Interesting. Then we have the Chariot. I love this, but the chariot is not moving anywhere. There's a lack of movement in this regard. Oops. We have the Strength. This is a very strange card. She has no arm. And she has bats in her hair. Very scary looking bats, honestly. It's very weird. But I love it. Honestly, I love it so much. The owl. There's like clocks. Then we have the wheel. Justice. Interesting justice card. We have the Hanged Man. But in this sense, the Hanged Man is not hanged. They're actually untying themselves. Death. This might be to some a very scary death card, honestly. Some people might think that. Then we have Temperance. A crow's or a raven's head. Very strange. Then we have the Devil. A mask being worn by a kitten. I do love this card though. It's cute and creepy all at the same time. Then we have the Tower. So not fully traditional in the sense that there's no lightning, people falling off the tower, but the tower is breaking. We have a star. Then we have the moon. This is an interesting moon card. Oh, we have the sun, but the sun and moon side by side. That's interesting. I like that. Then we have Judgment. Look at all the things dying around. And then we have, is that the same girl? I don't think so. But this one has like lush columns behind her, or an archway columns. Then we have the cups. So it states it down here like the Roman numeral, except for like ace, and then what it is on top. So that's cups. Interesting. There's no cups though. The Three of Cups. This definitely does not have typical Rider-Waite-Smith symbology. So beginners might have a harder time with this if they're not already familiar with Rider-Waite-Smith. Though, obviously, if people are attracted to this deck and they want it, hey, feel free to get it. But I would highly suggest also getting a basic Rider-Waite-Smith deck just to have for side-by-side comparison. And for learning purposes, obviously, as well. It's very interesting. Love the owl. I love owls. Love owls so much. This is 9. The snake in this one. And then 10 of cups. We have the page. The knight. The queen. And the king. Then we're going into the swords. We have the Ace of Swords. Oh my. The Two of Swords. That is very, very weird. Oh man. Holy. This is the Three of Swords. Definitely not a traditional heartbreak card. It's supposed to signify loss and whatnot. I don't know what this signifies, honestly. Is this person dead? Oh my god, yes, she is. Holy. The imagery on this. Well, at least this signifies rest and relaxation. That Three of Swords is so haunting. The Five of Swords. Then we have the 6 of Swords with the piranhas. Those are piranhas? They look like piranhas. 7. So the 7 of Swords is supposed to be like theft and like greed and being sneaky and whatnot, but I don't. Maybe this person is taking all of these keys, or person, this bird, but like, I don't know, how would the bird know that, like, how would the bird know that people care about these keys? That's, I don't know. I have to read the guidebook for that one. This is supposed to be the nightmare card. Definitely get those vibes. The 10. 10. Typically, it's supposed to be swords, but in this case, it's flowers coming out. And I like that a lot better, honestly. This is a really nice card. I love how the 10 of Swords is depicted. Then we have the Page. That is very weird. It's a woman's body morphed into a bird. Ew. Then we have the Knight. Then we have the Queen. Then we have the King. The King is like a weird looking chicken. Then we're going into the Pentacles. So this is the Ace. Two of Pentacles. That looks like a wishbone. We have the 3 of Pentacles. Look at this guy's face. The 6 of Pentacles. He's like not happy to be generous. Look at him only putting a penny or 1 coin in that scale. He's being frugal, honestly. Then we have the 7. The 8 is like my favorite card, so that is very creepy. So the 8 of Pentacles is my favorite card because it signifies hard work. And I'm a very hardworking person, so like I really relate to the 8 of Pentacles, but this one, I don't know. Like I'm a little freaked out by the heads, honestly. Ooh, that's a little strange. 9 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles. Then we have the Page. The Knight. Queen. Oh, how she's wearing a wedding gown. And the King. Then these are the Wands. This is the last suit too. That eye though. Ooh. The 2 of Wands. The 3 of Wands. The 4 of Wands. Five of Wands. 7, 8. Oh, that's really nice. I love all the cardinals. And then there's this bird. I don't know if that's supposed to be a cardinal or what. The 9 of Wands. The 10 of Wands. That's actually really interesting. It's really interesting. Then we have the Page. Very creepy. The Knight on a cardinal. Love that. Oops. The Queen. What happened to this crow? Is it drowning? And then lastly, the King. Very, very weird. So first impressions, because I've never like opened the, like, I didn't use this deck prior to filming, but like, wow. The art, I love the artwork. Very creepy. Very creepy. Shuffling is fine for me. I love cardstock from US Game Systems. I've never had a problem with it. I'm not good at doing a bridge shuffle, so I'm not going to attempt that, but it should be fine. Like, I think it would be fine. Okay, too many fell out. Okay, so we're going to read this. And I'll read both upright and reverse so you get a sense of like both meanings. So this is the 10 of Cups. Okay, so let me find that. Okay, 10 of Cups. Upright, keyword is harmony. So the heron is a bird of great wisdom. He is powerful in flight and purposeful in his stride. Content in their environment, herons take their time in their outlook on life. Every moment is to be enjoyed. Reversed, keyword is animosity. Things are not going as planned. Emotional connections are being blocked. So there's not that much information, honestly. Like, I guess it's enough. Like, the keyword is enough really to trigger my intuition, but like for a beginner, like you would need to like know all this stuff to begin with, in my opinion. So yeah, so if you wanted to see 10 of Cups, harmony, this is what it says. Reversed animosity, and then this is what it says. This is literally 2 sentences. Not even. These sentences are very short. So yeah. For me, it's fine because I've been doing tarot for a while now, but for other people, it might be more of an issue. But if you don't mind, like, not having too much information, then it's okay. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed that all the cards and the very creepy like imagery on the cards. In my particular opinion, I actually really love the imagery. I find it very fascinating, very there's a lot to look at really in the cards, in my opinion. Would I use this with clients? Probably not. They'd probably take one look at this and get very scared. But for myself, I would totally give myself readings with this. So, and that's what I plan to do anyway. I think that's what is the best in my opinion. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on that bell to be notified when I post a brand new video. And obviously, if you'd like to follow me on Instagram, link in the description. And again, I will put links in the description as well for this deck where you can find it. Obviously, none of the links are affiliated to me, so they're just to make things easier for yourself. So thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you in my next one.